Linking a bank to Merchants Bancorp is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Visit the Merchants Bancorp website. Go to the official Merchants Bancorp website using your preferred web browser. Ensure that you're on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Log into your account. Click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to the bank linking section. Once logged in, find the section for linking bank accounts. This is usually located under Account Settings or Payment Methods. Click on the appropriate link to proceed. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review all details and click on the Confirm or Save button. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. Once you've completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Merchants Bancorp. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.